Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. So I'm going for the calculator, go back to the home screen, and right now use this button to enter background apps. Click on the application icon and select the open in the split screen view. Right now we can select the second application from the background, but also we can click here and select the other application. Maybe we can go for the Samsung Notes. With this marker you can also, click allow, and with this marker you can also adjust the size of the application. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.